Types of nouns. Nouns are everywhere. Nouns are words that name animate and inanimate objects. Nouns also name ideas, qualities, feelings, and conditions. A noun is a word that is used to name an object, concrete noun, tree, substance, material noun, cotton, or idea, abstract noun, peace. Words that are nouns are broadly placed under following groups: common and proper, concrete and abstract, countable and uncountable, singular and plural, collective, compound, gender-specific, and gerunds. A noun may belong to more than one group. A common noun is the word that names a class of person, animal, place, or thing. A collective noun is the word that names a group of people, animals, places, or things. For example, the zebra strayed away from its herd. Here, zebra is a common noun and herd is a collective noun. A concrete noun is the word that names a thing that can be seen, touched, smelt, heard, or tasted. For example, sitting in my balcony, I enjoyed the view of the mountains. An abstract noun is the word that names a quality, feeling, idea, or condition of someone or something that cannot be touched. An abstract noun is uncountable. For example, he is a man of wisdom. A countable noun has singular and plural forms and can be written with a number. An uncountable noun is a mass noun. It cannot be written with a number before it. For example, a bar of chocolate is all I need to feel energetic. Here, bar is a countable noun and chocolate is an uncountable noun. A compound noun is made up of two or more nouns combined to form a single noun. For example, we will go for shopping on the weekend. Common nouns can be classified into four genders: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. For example, men are to women as bulls are to cows. Words that are of common gender do not indicate if a noun is male or female. For example, agent, child, baker, etc. Here, agent does not indicate male or female gender. Words that are of neuter gender name objects and abstract nouns. For example, hospital, water, tree, etc. The gender of a word affects other words in a sentence. For example, the cow licked her calf. A proper noun is a special name given to someone, something, or someplace. For example, is that the Periwinkle English Grammar and Composition Workbook? Using exact common nouns in descriptions make your sentences clear and vivid. Using proper nouns in your descriptions make information more specific. A gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. A gerund can be the subject or object of the verb in a sentence. For example, hunting is banned in India. Nouns also name activities. If you can write a determiner before a word, then it's a noun. For example, the dance was mesmerizing. Some words function as nouns and verbs. For example, can you bank on a lazy friend to wake you up in the morning? In this sentence, the word bank is used as a verb. The bank near my house was looted in broad daylight last week. Here, the word bank is a noun.